Hello Primary 2, how are you today? Today's lesson is going to talk about even and odd numbers. Let's see together what do we mean by even and odd numbers. Okay, even number is the number which can be grouped into pairs without any left over. It's the number which can be grouped into pairs, means two, without any left over. Let's see like what? Yes, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These are what? These are even numbers. Let's choose one number of them and see. If I choose number 4, so 4 can it be paired into equal pairs? Yes, let's see. 4 I can put it by what? 2 and 2. So do I have any left over? 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Now I don't have any left over. That means it's what? It's an even number. Let's see another exercise or another example. If we have 6 and I want to know, is it an even number or an odd number? Let's put it into pairs. So 2 plus 2 plus 2. Pair means 2 once, okay? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives me 6. Do I have any left over? No, I don't have. So it's an even number, okay? Let's move to the odd number and see. What do you mean by the odd number? Yes, odd number means it can be grouped into pairs and has and it has one left over. Again, it can be grouped into pairs and having one left over. Okay? Like what? What are the odd numbers? Yes, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Let's choose one number from them. If I choose number 3, can I put it into pairs? Yes, 3 I can put 2. This is one pair. And I'm going to do what? I'm going to have one left over. So once I have one left over, that means it's an odd number. Okay? Okay. Now, let's see this exercise. If we count, then write even or odd number. So we have first to count in pairs. How many dogs do we have at the first one? 1, 2, so we have 2 pairs and we have one left. We have one left over. So we have here 5 and it's an odd number. Why? Because we have one left over. Okay? What about the ice creams? Let's count in pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So we have 8 ice creams. So the 8 is an even or an odd? It's an even number. Why? Because when I make the groups or when I make it into pairs, I have no left over. So now if I want to add 2-digit numbers, if I want to know if this 2-digit numbers is an odd number or an even number, what shall I do here? Yes, I'm going to put 13, for example. I'm going to put the houses OT, ones and tens, and I'm going to look for the ones place. It's 3. 3 is an odd number or an even number? Super, it's an odd number. So the whole digits 13 or the whole number 13 is an odd number. What about 46? Do the same. Put ones and tens and start from the ones. The 6 here is an even or an odd number? Super, it's an even number, so I don't have any left over number. So 46 is an even number. So we have to look at the ones place. If it's 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, that means it's an even number. And if it's 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, that means it's an odd number. Okay, these for the 2-digit numbers. Okay, let's move next to the doubling. The doubling, do you remember the doubling? Yes, doubling the number means adding the same number. So now if I'm going to doubling even and odd numbers, like what? I'm going to add, then circle the result and say whether it's an even number or an odd number. If I have 3 plus 3, so here I have 3 plus 3. It's doubling the number 3. 3 plus 3 gives me what? Yes, 3 plus 3 gives me 6. And do I have any left over when I add? No, I don't have any one left over. That means it's what? It's an even number. Let's move to the next example here. We have 6 hearts at the first group, and we have another 6 hearts in the second group. We are going to add, yes, the two groups together. Yes, we are going to say 6 plus 6, and the total is going to be, or the sum is going to be what? 12. Oh, here I have 2 digits. So I have to do what? Yes, I have to look for the ones place. The ones place here is what? 2. That means it's an even number. So the whole number with the 2 digits, 12, is going to be an even number. Okay, so from this I have a note for you. If we add doubles together, it gives us an even sum or an even total. So each time we are going to add odd doubles, yes, we are going to have what? An even sum. Okay? Okay, let's move next. If I want to add even or odd numbers, I have some notes here for you, which are even plus even equals to even, and odd plus odd equals to even, and even plus odd equals to odd. Okay, that means when I add the same even, if they are both the same even numbers, my answer is going to be even number, or my sum is going to be even number. And when I add the same odd plus odd, so my answer also is going to be what? An even number. But if I add one even number plus an odd number, my answer is going to be, or the sum is going to be what? An odd number. Let's see some exercises here below. First, I have 14 plus 8. Okay, I want you to mention first which is the even number and which is the odd number. The first one is an even number, 14, and the 8 is also an even number. So when I add even plus even, they are the same. So my answer is going to be what? An even number. 14 plus 8, counting forward after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So my answer is 22. Is it an even number? Yes, why? Because its ones is an even number. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. If I have 21 plus 7, so here I have 21 is an odd number and the 7 also is an odd number. When I add them together, I say odd plus odd equals, they are the same. So my answer is going to be an even number. 21 plus 7, counting forward after 21, my answer is going to be 28. Is it an odd number? No, it's an even number because its ones place is an even number. Let's see the next exercise. 10 plus 15. Yes, 10 is an even number and 15 is an odd number. So we are going to add different kind of numbers. Even plus odd, the answer is going to be an odd number. 10 plus 15 equals to 25. So 25 is an odd number because the ones place here, 5 is an odd number. Okay? 26 plus 13, yes, I have even number plus odd number. They are different, so my answer is going to be what? An odd number. 26 plus 13 equals to 39. And the 9 in the ones room here is an odd number, so my answer is going to be an odd number.